Okay, CL 106, which 5-106, which portion each pair is greater? Explain how you know. I think we might be able to just write in words and explain that this here is the 10th place value, and this here is the 10th. This is a 100th, so 1/10 is more than 1/100th, or 0 and 1/100ths. But for the visual learners, I'll go ahead and draw this out. So I have 100% block here and 100% block here. On the left side, I have 0 and 1/10. And to draw that out, I will go ahead and just shade in this value right here. Okay, and that all should be shaded in. I probably should just shade in the whole thing. Okay, so that's 1/10. Versus on this side, we have 1/100ths, which is just 1/100th blocks. So as we can see, 1/10 is greater than 1/100th. Okay. For part B, we have 8/10 and 91/100ths. Same idea here. We could talk about how there are 8/10 here and 9/10 here, plus some more, so that this is greater. But to show this, I'll go ahead and let's go ahead and just shade this in. 8/10 would be here. This is 8/10, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8/10. This whole thing should be shaded in. So let's go ahead and shade this whole thing right here. Okay, 8/10. On the other side, I will have 9/10 and 100ths. Here's 9/10. Let me shade that in. Oops. 9/10. And one more 100th, okay? And even without the 100th, we could see that the right side is greater. So here's 8/10, here's 91/100ths, and we could see that 91/100ths is greater or 8/10 is less.